Hey, how's it going? So many people have asked me, Maverick, what is the difference between, EveryDollar Plus and the Premium, and also which one is the best between EveryDollar Plus and EveryDollar Premium. So normally, as you know, that EveryDollar is a budgeting tool that has been designed to, help users to manage their finances by creating detailed budgets, tracking expenses, and also syncing transactions with linked bank accounts. Now, the core functionality remains consistent, but let's discuss this subtle distinction that have emerged over time due to the rebranding and updates from, Ramsey's Every Dollar platform. Now, let's distinguish between both Every Dollar Plus and that of Every Dollar Premium. Talking about the name and branding, Every Dollar Plus is the original name which is being used in the past, okay? And why the EveryDollar Premium is the current name after rebranding. Okay, so after they've rebranded from EveryDollar Plus, the new one they are doing is the EveryDollar Premium. Talking about pricing, the EveryDollar Plus historically the price varies. Something appeared at around roughly $8 or $13 and $15 monthly. Those are the plans: 8, 13, and 15. Why the present standardized rate, which is monthly, is $18 based on the current information as at the time of creating this video. So it costs roughly $17.99, but that is $18 approximately as at the time of creating this video for the EveryDollar Premium. Talk about bank syncing. The EveryDollar Plus, they once offered, automatic transaction syncing with linked bank account. While the Premium also, it continues to offer, automatic transaction syncing with linked bank account. So it's a feature that has been in existence before and it's still continuing. Talk about manual entry. Well, both plans they allow for manual transaction entry, which several users prefer for greater control and accountability. Let's talk about customer support. As you know, or maybe you don't know, the EveryDollar Plus they include customer support for technical issues and questioning. Why when it comes to the EveryDollar Premium, they still maintain the robust customer support, and also they have potential with improvised service responsiveness due to rebranding efforts. And when it comes to integration with Ramsey, the EveryDollar Plus they are integrated with Ramsey Plus for a comprehensive financial education experience, and the EveryDollar Premium they still continue to integrate with Ramsey Plus, providing access to Financial Peace University and other resources. Talking about the user experience, the EveryDollar Plus, the initial user interface and experience which they possibly have evolved over time. Why when it comes to the EveryDollar Premium, they have updated UI UX based on users' feedback and ongoing improvement. Let's talk about mobile app feature. With the EveryDollar Plus back then, they featured a mobile application for budgeting on the go. Why when it comes to EveryDollar Premium, they offer a mobile application and which likely has enhancements and also updates post rebranding. And the aspect of access to historical data, both plans, even during the EveryDollar Plus, there is access to historical budgeting data for tracking progress over time. And when it comes to budget sharing, both plans, even while it is still EveryDollar Plus, they offer budget sharing with family members or partners for collaborative financial planning. And in the aspect of educational resources, the EveryDollar Plus they provide access to budgeting tips and resources, while the EveryDollar Premium, they have likely expanded their educational resources, especially as part of the Ramsey Plus. In the aspect of security features, both plans emphasize secure connections for bank syncing and also personal information protection. Talk about custom categories. Both plans they allow users to create custom budget categories, to fit their unique financial situations. And in the aspect of customer feedback, EveryDollar Plus their initial feedback and features request shaped the service, okay? Why EveryDollar Premium they improve the feature and support based on extensive customer feedback over time. And the last point I'm going to talk about here is the market and communication. When it comes to EveryDollar Plus, they have original marketing and communication efforts which might have been more limited, okay? But the EveryDollar Premium, they have enhanced marketing and communication efforts to align with Ramsey Solutions brand and provide clear value proposition. So in summary, why EveryDollar Plus and EveryDollar Premium, they offer the same core features such as automatic transaction syncing, budget sharing, and educational resources, and several others. The differences primarily lie in branding and pricing standardization, okay, and continuous improvements based on users' feedback. So this rebranding likely aimed to align with services more closely with the overall Ramsey solution offering and providing a more cohesive user experience and clearer communication of value. So that is what I have for you in today's video. If this video has been helpful and has differentiated what both plans are all about, as you know that the EveryDollar Plus is just the previous one, while the EveryDollar Premium is the current one. So it's as simple as that. It is still the same, it's just rebranding. So I believe this video has been able to explain very well extensively what both plan is all about. Thank you very much for your time. I will see you in the next video, and bye for now.